The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday, happy CPI day. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a great morning. Morning, Kim, Hassan. Safe travels to work there. Awesome, Hassan. Markets overnight have been moving kinda up. Hard to tell what the low there is. Let's see. 85, 85, 85. I'm seeing a trend there. 85, 85, 85 for a low. 95 for a high. Not much movement overnight. Looks like about 10 points only in a range. Copper. Wow, copper got up to 418. Got a 120 tick range there, and you can see once again looking at a daily chart here. Not since last June have we been this high. Gold. Ooh, gold made a new high since I moved this line about 10 minutes ago. Trying to get up to 1900. About 15 points of range there. Ultra bond. Rising up. Almost 2 points of range there. Crude oil, natural gas, I mean. It's rising up. Looks like about 217 ticks of range. And last but not least, the oil that is so crude. About a point and a half. How you feeling, Cam? You getting over the flu? Bitcoin all of a sudden yesterday burst out above 18,000 after I've been stuck in a range of 16,000 for so long. Morning, JC. I'm glad to hear that. So, there we go. We're going to be doing micros here on ES. I only have about $300 of drawdown left on the ETF account, so we are going to try and be careful and then get a little bit more. So the trigger candle right here, as I was talking, but right now it does not seem to want to come up. So it's a much better trigger candle, but that was right as I was waking up. You can see we just hit a new high a day back here at 96. Pulls back. CPI in about 55 minutes. Alright, good luck there, JC. It'll be a fun day with CPI. Last CPI. Let's go look. Go down to a 5-minute chart. We'll turn back time. Guess you can't pick out which day was CPI. Let's see here. So the oddness was that it started rising up. It's like the report had leaked because it rose up the candle before by 45 points, and then went up another 90 points, but pulled back almost that entire candle, and gave back 75 of those 90. So overall, I can't go back to the minute chart there, but overall it ran up about 135 points, pulled back to about 60 total. You can see it kind of grinded up then, and it's kind of started coming back down about an hour and a half later, and then it was just a grind down the rest of the day. Good morning, John. So we'll see what we shall see today. So watching and waiting. Not a lot of range. Let's see, we came down, up, down, down, down. Here we go. Just trying to see where we want to go here. Good morning, Mr. G. Hope you're doing well today. 36, 36, 96. Try that. Trying to get up to that 4,000 mark. We haven't been at 4,000 since, well, a couple days after the last CPI. Morning, Matt. Wait, what happened to the short at 81.15? Or are you saying you didn't get the 81.50? Okay, now I understand now. Didn't get there, so you, okay, I got you. That would have reached target if I had taken that long there. But I was still coming on, although I could have taken that there. Anyway. Yeah, as I was asking, I figured that, JC. Just, continuing to rise up. Rise up and be counted, folks. Rise up. Oh, yeah. We are 45 minutes away from CPI. Should make the day exciting and fun. Powerball or Mega Millions, Mr. G? No, but I was thinking about doing it for this current one. So tomorrow is Friday the 13th. So I'm curious. Are you superstitious about Friday the 13th? And will anyone not trade tomorrow because it's Friday the 13th? $39.97. New high a day. 39.97 quarter. Hello, Sorum. I did not know that, G. Continuing to grind up. Copper looks a little sideways. Treasury. Ultra bond's looking a little bit awake there. See overnight, rising up. There have been some good entries here. And then that one would not have worked, but that one that one wouldn't have worked either. That one would have. So, some good and bad entries. Actually, that one would not have stopped out. So, Is it going to reach 4,000 before CPI? That is the question. And Q trying to get up to 11.5. Still testing. G, still trying to find the best setting. I don't have an account to run it on right now. The earn the trade account, funded account is like $200 from drawdown, so there's nothing I gotta try and nurse that back to health. There's some settings I like that are just I'm still testing. Like over the weekend, I back tested a strat. I did a full playback on NinjaTrader for 13 months. And since December of 2021, it had done about 115. It had done $115,000 in profit, but it did have like a $24,000 drawdown at one point. So, still doing a lot of back testing. Well, yeah, obviously it is. I mean, I have one that I've been testing, a setting that I've been testing, uh, since the start of the year. So, and there's a couple days I forgot to run the tests on it, actually start it up. But it's up $11,000 since the start of the year. Uh, it runs one NQ contract. You know, all the tests I do are only on one contract. So it's just running one NQ contract, and up 11,000 with it had a $3,000 drawdown. It's taken 215 trades with a 51% winning percentage. Now, one regular size contract, G. Oh, there we go, 39.98 as we continue to move up. Good question. Uh, it's like around $1,000 for margin on NQ for day trading. Hello, Dakota. It's like it wants to get up to 4,000. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, really, that's in 7 trading or 6 trading days because there was 2 days I forgot to run it. Yep, got within 2 ticks of 4,000. It's a good question. I've thought about putting it. I just started. If when I did a back test for the month of December, it was not as good. So what I'm finding is that like the original bot setting I was running did absolutely wonderful from like September through mid-November, and then it absolutely sucked. So that's why I've been continuing. I've been starting to do back tests that go through like the entire last year. All right, good luck, JC. But that said, if I had just put it on there and let it go, I would have a funded account in Apex at least. Hello, everyone. I see everyone's piling in. We're getting ready for CPI. 31 people here already. Remember, folks, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, I would appreciate it. My plan is whenever I make it, whenever you know, if I ever get to that point, I'm not sure I ever will, but if I ever get to the point where I'm making withdrawals, I plan on putting 50% of the withdrawal into an account for taxes. There we go. We just hit 4,000. So hit 4,000 exactly. Let's see if it pulls back. Um, well, maybe tomorrow. Not sure it's best to start it on a CPI day. History shows it does not do well on big news days, CPI, FOMC. Morning, Andrew. Could be short-lived, Andrew, with CPI being today. Or it might go up higher, because I've heard the CPI number is expected to be good. Morning, Burl. Top of the hour. Let's see where we go. I don't know where we're going. 30 minutes till CPI. 30. Crude. We got to move up here, but kind of wonky right now. While ES continues to just push up. Alterbond, quite awake this morning for this time of day. I don't know what would be a good CPI number, but I mean, just lower than whatever the projected is. Let's see if Financial Juice has a projected number on it. The projected number is 6.5 year over year. So last month was 7.1. So under 6.5 would be, good. Remember, we also had jobless claims at the exact same time since it's a Thursday. And then we have a Fed speaker 15 minutes after. $44,001.5 is where we got up to. I'm thinking that would be I mean, it'll be considered bad for inflation. I don't know what the market would do. The higher the inflation number, the market will go down, or should go down, because that means that the Fed's going to want to keep raising interest rates higher and higher. At least that's the way I understand things. I've never taken an economics class. And 18 months ago, I didn't know what an FOMC was. I didn't know what a CPI report was. I've heard of inflation, but I didn't know that they released a monthly report about it. Well, got another point there, 4,002.5. Yeah, I was going to say, JC, perhaps best to wait to after. Wait, consider to load up the ES of the 4-hour candle on a 30-day chart. Do you mean a 4-hour time frame, Jerry? Because I'm confused what you mean there. That's 4-hour. Yeah. That's about 30 days of data right there. All right. Yeah. This is our last CPI report right there. Right there. Blue line. Alright, G. All confusing me. Continuing to rise up. 4,004. Do I hear 4,005? Do I hear 4,005? CPI. Good luck, JC. Copper, you see continuing to rise. It's about mid-range on the day. Ooh, 2-point pullback. Nice job, Andrew. And they're hanging at 4,002. Oops. Pulling back down. 4,001. Down to the EMA. So hanging right above this 4,000 mark. Let's see where we go from here. Here we come pushing down through. Pushing down through. So about 16 minutes till CPI. Popping back up. Technically a trigger candle here, but I'm just going to stay flat until CPI. Heading up. Right back down. Up, down, left, right. Everybody, look what's going on. No, wrong song. Up, back, right back up. This would have been a, that would have, well, would have went 2 points exactly with no slippage. Let's see if it gives another tick for that slippage. Yep, it would have, so that would have worked. That one earned its purple. Trying to get back up to the high of 4,004 half. Yeah. The Ultra Bond's moving up here. See that it gave in Dakota his 8 plus. Oh gee, doesn't it depend on what our CPI numbers are? By the way, we're right back up to that high of 4,004 half. And broke it, 4,005 now. Yeah, John, I do remember that. Like we got a burst like 3 minutes before CPI report, and it was quickly killed. Ouch, JC. So back up to 4,005 and a half. Or back up to, I guess I should say. And we are about 10 minutes away. 10 minutes, people, 10 minutes. Places, everybody. Your algo needs to wake up earlier, Burl. I wake up, jumped out my bed. I'm in a two-man cell with my homie little half dead. Pulling back here. Nice, bro. Excellent. I see that pull back there. Copper pulling back a tad. Gold staying up toward its high of day. Ultra Bond making a new high of day. Crude staying around high day. Natural gas made a new high day before pulling back. Well, that's pretty good overall there, Burl. Morning, Avi. Coming back up. Just hit the high again. You never heard about Friday the 13th, Avi? Like, they've made a whole bunch of movies about it. New high, moving up. Yeah, Friday the 13th is supposed to be very unlucky, if you believe in superstition like that. We are 5 minutes away. Wikipedia article on on Friday the 13th, Avi, or for anyone else that wants to read it. So we are 5 minutes away, less than 5 minutes away. Are you trading? I see your good day on the Discord, Hassan. Are you trading this? Yeah. Uh, Countdown until the candle drops. Happy CPI, Johns. Welcome. See, we're rising up here. Got up to 4,008. Good morning, Justin. Yeah, they're alright. I mean, I don't often have Chinese. I probably haven't had Chinese in about a decade. Rising up. Just hit Bollinger's there. Got down up to 4,009. Whoa. 4,020 there. Burst just like last time. Just like last month, we bursted up. Bursted? Burst? Bursted? And then shot right back down. Got the 4020, pulled back down to 4010. Yeah, I do. Gee. I mean, I'm keto carnivore, but over the holidays I went off of that. But for the most part, I avoid carbs. Whoa! Quick burst down there before CP. Whoa! Something leaked. Wow! What the heck? Look at that. Yeah, something leaked early by a few seconds. It burst down, trying to come back up. I have. This is a weird. What's NQ doing? NQ burst down by 132 points before the report came out. Ultra Bond down big. But ES is just. That is weird. This candle closed at 4,007. The next one opened at 3978. Let's see what the number was. Year over year, only 5 points. Wait, no. Yeah, wait. I'm sorry, wrong number. 6.5, which was exactly what the forecast was. Month over month was exactly what the forecast, 0.1. All the numbers were exactly on point. That seems odd. Jobless claims 205K, forecast is 215K. The CPI did exactly what they expected, and that was a very weird. I just, I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Not the, definitely not as big of a move as last time, and it's trying to bounce. It's got all the moving averages out of whack. My algo test did not like it for the most part. Ah, wow. Oil 78.42 down to 77.88, back up to 78.90, and then back down. So oil had a 1 full point range within 2 minutes there. Yep, I hate it when people don't return their library books. Copper also went all wild. Ultra bond. Gold. Wow. Look at that gold candle. Gold 893 down to 72 and back up. Wow. Gold's trying to get up to 1900. I mean, it's good that inflation's coming down. I didn't take any trades, but is there nobody that allows it, John? It's coming back up. Got down to 39.53. It's already recovered 35 points. That said, if I would take a trade right now, I would probably start reversing. What about like a regular non-prop firm type broker, John? Nice, JC. Oh, wonderful job. Beautiful move up, back above 4,000 already. So a 50-point move in 5 minutes. That's stupid. Uh, you know, their high today 40.20, low 39.53. Quite the hourly candle there. It's interesting how it touched the fourth deviation band on both sides. Like, okay, so my question is, John, would it work on like a regular futures account? Like, if you put in like an AMP futures or NinjaTrader brokerage or one of those, and would that work? I'm just not. I mean, can the platforms even? I know I like my algo tests all sent errors at that quick movement, so I'm not even sure. Oh, okay. I got you, John. So we got it back up to 47, 40.07, quickly pulling back down now. interloper. Morning. Took a short there. For some, I mean, apparently I'm not. Oops. Got stopped out. I must not be loaded. Yeah, I'm not. It's not loading. Okay, hold on. Tried to short, did not work. Which is okay. That's both good and bad there. Uh, Justin? I was right about the short. It just decided to pop on me too sooner there. But I'm not. Wait, did I? No, I'm negative $50 seventh day. I'm trying to be consistent. Uh, yeah, I believe in trading consistency, and so I'm trying to stay consistent. I've been red 9 out of the last 10 days. So got to keep that consistency of staying red. Morning, G Cart. You can see here my trader dashboard. Here's my 10 trading days on this ETF account. Negative $4.17. And here I ruined it because I actually had a positive day by $45. Negative 88.30, negative 286, negative 424. I'm sorry. That's the total P&L. So 417 plus 49.92, negative 134, negative 198, negative 138, negative 378, negative 41, negative 505, negative 271. So, 8 straight red days, no, 7 straight red days. Today will be number 8. No, I just need to stop trading. You could give me the best strategy in the world and I would screw it up. Well, like I said yesterday, most likely, trading's going away for me anyway if I get this job, so it doesn't really matter. Good morning, Crypticon. Yeah, CPI report, Crypticon. It came out about 15 minutes ago. Uh, no, bro, I'm really thinking it's a sign from, the stars or whatever you want to say that this isn't gonna work for me long term. Sometimes you just gotta realize when, you're not gonna be good at something. It's like that baseball player that's, been in the minor leagues for 5 years and has never hit above 220. See ya, LinkedIn. Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you. Hope he doesn't get burnt. Good morning, Ace. Yeah, man. Found futures in January or February of 2021. Started learning how to trade in spring of 2020. Started with stocks first, and then found futures in 2021. Yeah, right now the moving averages aren't telling me a darn thing. Because they're all got screwed up by this. Nope, I don't. It's just a fun saying. Or, so, do I thank everyone for being here this morning? 40 people here. Morning, Hafiz. Chef, what's cooking? We have the 5-minute chart. It's an interesting looking chart as well. Yeah, Varl, the Discord's going to be around and all that. What's a love bazaar? Hanging below 4,000, heading down toward 39.90. Ah, I don't remember that song. Back up to 39.99. Here's how to order. Oh, up to 4,002. So we are about 37 minutes away from the bell. And about 7 minutes away from the energies markets opening. So we watch and we wait. A lot of good moves here, just... Eh. That's a pretty resounding no on that poll. And we're continuing to grind up. Back up to 40.10. Wow, look at this move. Up to 40.17 and back. Wow, back down fast. Fast and hard. Right, that sounded bad. Scriptwriter, it's okay. First of all, Ace, we can possibly explore that idea. Not sure how that might work with streaming, but we can explore that. Scriptwriter, it's not that. I mean, I would debate my beliefs with anybody, anytime, except for politics and religion are very diversive topics, or divisive, or whatever the word I look for. It causes people to argue, and that's not what I want on the stream. We are here for trading, and I don't want to get into a whole debate about religion. Yeah, if you want to debate about it, I'll be happy to debate it with you, but not here on the stream. Because the chances are my opinions, you know, either politics or religion is going to end up alienating 50% of the people on the stream. Good morning, G-Man. Long time no see. We were worried you were washed away in the California floods. Wow, G-Man. I lost $50. That's a big number there, G-Man. That's more money than I made in my entire life, to be honest. I think. Yeah. Yep, JC, he trades his own brokerage account, yeah. He's a huge trader. Huge size. Ah, dude, it took 5 minutes for that? That's only 390 times 12. That's only $4.6 million an hour. I mean, that's like, what kind of rate is that? Seriously, dude, absolutely wonderful. G-Man will teach anyone that's willing to learn and not dumb like me that can't figure it out. I don't even know what esoteric means. Now you're making me look up words. As we head toward, oh, we hit the top of the hour. Let's see what crude does. Or did, I should say. Crude. Oh, crude not, pushed down there, but not by much. Not much of an open for crude. Yeah, minor pullback. Okay, I just Googled that, Andrew. It's a little disturbing. Big pullback there on crude. Oops, didn't mean to blow up crude. Pulling back. Nice, JC. G-Man, I bet you it was either down or up, but since you said you made it on the dump, I'm going to assume it was down. But maybe you played the reverse on the dump, so. Yeah, someone else, JC did the same. He got 97 ticks on ES. Well, MES. Nice, John.
Yeah, almost back up to our high that spiked on the candle right before CPI. I love how the CPI must be getting leaked just a bit before. Up, new high of day. 40.21 3/4. Well, feel free to leave for the people. Uh, yeah. If you don't want to be here, guys, Weenies or Greg is actually live streaming right now. There's only 11 people there. Go check them out. After telling me he's not allowed to live stream anymore, he's live streamed twice this week, so I'm confused. Now, don't you can't call them Yahoos anymore. Yahoo is actually has been a successful website. It's losing money now, but it was a successful was success. They beat out Excite. Does anyone remember back in the 90s when it was Yahoo versus Excite to be the best search engine and portal? Boy, I'm aging myself there. Don't know whatever happened to Excite. Yep. Yeah, Netscape. Yeah, Lycos. Ask Jeeves. Oh yeah, I remember Ask Jeeves. Uh, I don't ever play. I mean, if someone wants to talk to me about it, but I mean, I don't even remember how I ever even brought it up on stream that everybody knows that. I must have, cause it's obviously it just leads to endless debates, and I'm not going to change anybody's mind, and I'm not out to change anybody's mind, honestly. You know, it's just religion should be a personal thing, in my opinion. Oh yeah, GeoCities. Yeah, GeoCities got bought out by Google, I think, and then they killed it. Google kind of killed off. I mean, Yahoo's still around, obviously. Yahoo is my. I mean, my Yahoo email account is like 24 years old. I bet you no one can guess how many unread emails I have. Go ahead, take a guess. How many unread emails I have? As we're pulling back here. Moving averages has finally started separating from one another somewhat. You're close, Burl. 396,000 unread emails in my Yahoo account. And 166,556 unread emails in my oldest Gmail account. So between my oldest Gmail account and my Yahoo account, I have like 566,000 unread emails. Pushing down. I mean, it's like a time capsule if I ever wanted to go through it. You know, I actually got one of those the other day, Avi. Hello, RTRTR. So we are about 20 minutes from the bell, or less. Bouncing. It's got my power bill. Let's see how bad that is. CL heading back up. Oh yeah, well, yeah. As soon as you said that, Hafiz, right back down. Meanwhile, ES coming down toward its 100 EMA. Bert, I really have no idea what you're talking about half of the time. I got logged out of Tradovate. Oh, what the heck? Now I gotta go find the login again.
a second here. I got logged out of Tradovate. Pushing down. So I was gonna take this trade, but I was logged out of Tradovate. I don't know why. So we dropped down to 39.93. I would have no problem eating a whole medium pizza. So it's trying to give back this entire move back under 4,000 with about 12 minutes to go. Not afraid of falling. So after the move back up, we got back down to 77 there, 78 there. We're at 90. Let's see how far it falls. But it's exactly what it did last time. CPI. It was an initial move up and then grinded down all day. Morning, RJ. $19. Dakota's still been quiet.
Nice. I see you're up five or six ticks there, JC. Oh, good job. Excellent. Question, guys. I'm assuming the market's open Monday. Is the market? I didn't even look. Is the futures market open Monday? Okay, so my question is, assuming that they're open, I'm pretty sure they are. But are you guys trading? It is a bank holiday. Is it worth me streaming? Well, let's go find out. I hate looking at the CME calendar. Let me go see if maybe. Let me see if Earn a Trade has their calendar up. Holiday CME. No, there's nothing on Earn a Trade. CME Martin making holiday schedule. Yeah, I hate trying to check out the CME. Here we go. Let's look. Yeah, that's even worse. My God, I preferred it when they opened up in a PDF. Looks like they're open until noon, maybe? I don't know. This is ridiculous. Yeah, it looks like it closes at probably at noon. That's what they often do. That's what it. So, I'm not sure it's gonna be worth trading on Monday. I guess there's no reason to stream that day. Hopefully next week find out something about the jobby job. Yeah, we're popping back up above 4,000. About 5 minutes ago to the bell. Well, we actually have a Fed speaker talking right now. Fed's Harker is speaking.
Hey, Karim. No, not yet. Are you talking about the Bob Anderson video, JC? Matt, was that you? I do remember you saying that the Bob Anderson method saved you yesterday. Yeah, but Bob's saying he's going to be starting a Discord. Yeah, it's a good detective work there, JC. I never even thought about it, but that was about the amount that Matt said he finished with, now that I think about it. And we're pulling back here. We are a minute from the bell. That's awesome, Matt. I never put. I mean, I don't ever look at comments on videos, but I didn't even put two and two together that the amount that Bob said was about the amount you said yesterday in chat. That's awesome. I'm glad he was able to help you, and it seems like it's spurred him now to like expand his community there, because in that video he's talking about launching a Discord and stuff now. So it's a good thing.
Why'd you go back to NQ? Even I haven't gone back to NQ, even though I really wanted to master NQ. But I've been sticking to ES. Oh, there's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. I'm about a minute late on that ding, ding, but it's not really doing anything. Down about 5. Oh, come on, connect. What the heck? If I log into TradingView, now it kicks me out of Tradovate. Pushing down here. That would have been a good trade right there. But I connect, can't stay connected into Tradovate. But I mean, I've looked at his system. It's not that I don't like his system. It's that my problem isn't the system. My problem is just my brain. Pushing down hard. Back down to 39.88. Been a beautiful trade if I could have logged in. Try logging into Tradovate one more time. Yeah, I'm logged into both now. Let's see if it sticks. Skype is old school. Pushing down 85. Down to 83. Uh, I think that's a one-on-one there, one-on-one conversation with Bob. I think. I have Skype too. I mean, Most everyone uses. Yeah, everyone's more going to Discord or Zoom versus Skype, but Zoom costs money. Well, it doesn't cost money, but you're limited to 40 minutes. Down to 39.82. Now back up. So opening 5-minute candle. It's down 17 and a quarter. Wow. That was a bigger drop than I thought. Down to 80, down to 78. Yeah, Chef's my Discord. Him and Jay host, are my Discord people. Right, down to 39.80. Sort of worked. Thomas, you missed CPI report, debate on my religious preferences, and talking about Matt's Hail Mary yesterday with Bob Anderson. UB? Alright, good luck with that. Bounce there, 78 up to 87. Wow, quick bounce. So hanging around 84 right now. See where we go from here. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been.
Oh wow. So earlier, Mr. G was talking about that algo, and that algo test today is up another 1,590. That was after it being down by several $100 earlier. Maybe I do need to start running that. Yeah, at one point, right after CPI, it fell. It went negative by over 1,000, and now it's up by 1,590 today. I really just want to. I mean, bot trading would be my overall thing. Yeah, it must have hit a couple good trades. I'm gonna quickly look at the trade performance here and see what it did. Yeah, I can turn it on and off anytime I want. Yeah, for the entire duration of January, it's now at $13,720. Let's see what the trades it did today. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. It took a loss on CPI, big loss. Boy, it hit mega slippage. That loss on CPI was double the normal stop loss. Wow. But then it did a $90 win, a $1,600 win, an $1,100 win, $300 loss, a $150 win, and a $50 win, and it's currently in a winning trade. But yeah, that thing's set to have a 15-point stop on NQ, and on CPI it took a 30-point stop. Chef, the one I've been talking about, the 60-60-20 trail. Why are you so into Rust Belt cities there, G? So continuing to push down to 69. Nice. Yeah, I haven't downloaded the full year's worth of ES data. I only downloaded NQ. Wait, no, this is NQ. Did I not test this for a full year? I need to test it for the full year. Why haven't I done that? Well, that's true, G. Continuing to push down. Excellent job, RJ. Falling, falling. Low on that CPI candle was 39.53, so we're only about 13 points away from that and just continuing to fall. Matt, yeah, it's one of the tests I'm running on the VM.
Uh, I'm looking at an MES chart, so MES might have got down to MES got down to 39.53 and 3/4, so close enough. But yeah, that it's the MOT strategy. Yeah, most prop firms do allow bots as long as it's not a high frequency bot, and it's one custom coded for me. I'm normally using ES, but the account I'm on G only has about $300 of drawdown left, so I had to switch to the micro. Specifically, Earn to Trade definitely allows the use of bots. They're a gray area on Apex. Have a great day, John. That's an excellent day there. It's a gray area with Apex. As long it's they they do as long as it's not a high frequency bot and you're actually watching it. So it's a gray area with Apex. The main thing that prop firms are looking for is those bots that take like 300 trades an hour. Mine, depending on the settings, takes anywhere between 2 trades to 20 trades a day if I would let it run 24. Yeah, mine trades like a manual trader. You know, like I said, it takes. If I left it running 24/5, it would average about 20 to 30 trades a day, depending on the setting. I have some settings I'm testing that literally only takes 1 trade a day. Exactly. Yeah. Charles, I've been back testing some settings. I didn't back test that one for the entire year, and I'm not sure why I didn't. But I've been back testing some others I've been running playback on NinjaTrader. I got the entire. I got data for NQ from uh, December when the contract rolled in December 2021 up to the current date, and I've been playing with that. Fee for what, Kareem? Uh, I'm doing prop firm crib, so I don't pay. I mean, they do charge commissions. It's like $4 round trip, but I mean, and we're continuing to push down here. Had a little bounce there at 39.60 now. Yeah, it's somewhere around. It depends on the prop firm. It's an average of 4, I would say. Honestly, I don't know what Apex or what ETF's commission is. China pushed down to that low. Not giving me any entries. I missed the one entry that was possible there. Fortunately, the problem with running playback on Ninja is that you can't be connected to something else. So if I have a playback running, then I can't trade my Apex account. Yes, Carib funded accounts. Like the account you see me trading right now is an Elite Trader funding evaluation account. I also have an Apex evaluation account. Bounce there at 39.59 up to 39.67. Big bounces. But yeah, I passed my earn to trade evaluation 100% with the bot, and then the bot got me up to like $1,800 in the profit, and it had a red day, and I changed the parameters, which I shouldn't have done. Once you're funded, it's real money. The evaluation is a sim account. The evaluation are sims, but once you're funded, you're making real money. Yeah, like with Apex, you get the 100% of the first $25,000 you make, and then after that you get 90%, and they take 10%. With earn to trade, it's 80-20. Almost all the firms are either 90-10 or 80-20. If you lose money, then you just blow the account and you have to restart. If you have a level that you can't go below. If you go below that level, then that account closes and you gotta restart over with an evaluation. Or if you blow out an evaluation, then you either need to pay for another evaluation or pay for a reset. hang at this 39.61 level. NQ falling fast. NQ fell over 250 points so far. Bitcoin falling back under 18,000. Copper, big fall. Everything's falling. Treasury's falling, except for natural gas. Natural gas doesn't care. Natural gas has inventories in half an hour. Okay, good luck on that, JC. It depends, Karib. Sometimes Apex will run an 80% off sale and it'll be like 35 bucks. They can range anywhere between 30 bucks and a couple of $100, depending on the size of the account you want. Oh, you're okay. You don't need to apologize. I don't mind explaining it. No need to apologize at all. So yeah, it depends on like what size account you want and whether there's any sales going on. Say 47? You wanted to get back up to 4,007, JC? That'll be quite the move. Just one MES or multiple MES? Also, thank you. Yeah, I have the ones I recommend down in the video description below. Uh, Apex doesn't have a sale going right now. I would wait until Apex has a sale. They have sales often. Earn to Trade has their Trader Career Path account. That's 50% off this month. Yep, nearing top of the hour. The Trader Career Path I think is $90 this month. That's a unique one, and where you can keep moving up into bigger size accounts if you want. Remember, there are rules to follow. You have a daily loss limit, and you gotta follow, like, you can't use too many contracts. You gotta follow the rules of how many contracts you're allowed, and things like that. So we did pop back up here to 72. Will it stay or will it come back down? Will it stay or will it go now? Sorry. Right back down. Try to stay above the taking along here. Boom. Ah, pulling back on me. Moving my stop up to free trade. Wow. Gonna get out there. There we go. That was a 5.5 point trade. That's been my best trade in this year, maybe. I should have stayed in, or should have got out with just a couple, but even so, I'm actually green on the day. You can see it's still heading up, but I got out there with the win, and now we are green by. Hold on. $74 today. Thank you guys. See, that is a setup I like there. It came up, came down, couldn't, and then I got in like right when this candle got above this, where this candle ended. And you can see I could have stayed in for more, but I needed a win. So basically a down, up, down move. I like that kind of setup. But it doesn't always work. Like here, that one would have got me in trouble. But it's better after a long trend like this compared to this. Nice. JC, very nice. I got the benefit of the top of the hour boost there. Another push up there. I'm here talking for the last 15 seconds and that was muted. Anyway, everything kind of bouncing here. Thank you, UBESYM. See, we consolidated in this area a little bit back here. It's trying to push up through this area. If it can push up through, then maybe it can get through that 100. 89.25? Wait, what? 79.25 ace? Nice call. He's already got his 2 plus. Seth? RJ? Is that who you're talking about, or somebody else? You had to know I was going to ask. Ace, the fact that I guessed that and you didn't. I'm pulling back here. Well, we'll see what happens, Mrs. Ace. No sure thing yet. I mean, gotta get money from somewhere. That's a sure thing. RJ, include me on the email because I'm now curious about what's going on. Have a great day, Zavok. Oh, I don't care, but you're fine, RJ. I don't mind. Yesterday, I mean, 2 days ago, I was promoting another stream. I have no problem talking about other streams. Yeah, I have no problem talking about any other streams. I promote Greg or AK Weenie. I've promoted I can't remember him now. Trading with Travis. He stops in here every now and then. So we bounced here. That was a trigger candle, and I was looking up the name of Travis's stream, and I totally missed it. Perfect trigger. Up 5 points. That was beautiful. Perfect. Missed it. Wow, up to 39.86, plowing through the 100. I accidentally pressed the button to fill it. Oh my god. I don't know what I just did. I got out break even. I accidentally pressed it twice. It was in on 10 contracts. I should have stayed in. It would have been a winning trade. I think I actually took a tick loss. Yeah, I did. I'm down to 48.60. I accidentally pressed the button too soon. Well, it's not a foregone conclusion I'm gone yet. I should have stayed in. I panicked. I panicked there, but if I had stayed in, that would have been a winning trade. You should have seen me jump when I heard order filled. Darn it. It's he's another streamer, TC. Ah, wow. Okay, JC. Wow. Up to 40.01. And basically, it's the mod strategy is just taking a trade when it breaks. Usually, when it breaks the 20 EMA, and these are against trend trades that I wouldn't normally take, but because we were so far down, I would take them there. But it's just breaks of the EMA. See, and that's why I don't really believe in the whole overbought, oversold thing. I've seen things stay overbought for hours, whereas I would try shorting and it just doesn't happen. Uh, G-Man, he was shorting for 40.007. I can get you those stats. I'm glad to hear that. Joshua? Uh, I thought I could get you. Yeah, thought I could. It's not loading. Have a great day, Crypticon. And they're heading back up. 410. Let's see. We consolidated here earlier. Let's see if we can get above this. Wait. Thanks, Avi. Have a great day. It's hanging around 4,000. Actually, Ace, I heard that here the banks here in the Midwest only keep corn in the vaults. Sorry to hear that, Judah. There's a push up. I am seriously on the edge of my seat here to see if this gets to 40,007. Well, I'm not really on the edge of my seat. That'd be uncomfortable. But figuratively, here, I really am curious to see if this gets to 40,007. 40,007? That's 40,000. 4007. I'll tell Bill I said hello. The Corn Kid song. He really became famous from that, Ace. That kid made it to the Macy's parade thanks to that song. Have a great day, Ace. Thanks, my friend. Still hanging here. Is this a so-called bull flag? Pushing down. Trying to get back that last big 10-point candle there. Uh, Charles, it's just a cross of the, basically a cross of the EMA. It's nothing, nothing earth-shattering. Like here, this would be a trigger candle, and I do it where, I only take normally only take trades if it's like, here the moving average is underneath, so I'll take longs opposite for shorts if the move, that's basically my strategy. And automated, I'm actually not using on the bot. I'm actually not using the higher moving averages, but most of the bots have bigger targets as well. Bot tests. Yeah, my that test that I'm running is up 1790 today. I now have like 20 different tests running. There's some that are up even more today. But yeah, that one's now up $13,920 on the test since the beginning of the month. Yeah, yeah. Matt LaRocco wrote the bot based on my strategy. But we've been trying, trying other things with it as well. We've tried different time frames. We tried a 2-bar test where it won't get in until there's like 2 bars confirmation, things like that. Crude. So like here, if I was trading crude right now, this would have been a trigger candle. Although I've been hesitant because of that big wick, but that would have been a nice trigger candle down for 10 ticks. Like right now, that was a trigger can. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm looking at crude again. Never mind. I clicked back on ES. Oops. then, like here, this is another thing I try to look for. Kinda, it didn't touch the EMA, but red candles down, then a nice bullish engulfing, and that up. But my bot doesn't look for that. My bot needs a cross of the problem. The problem the bot has is it doesn't know when it's just a pullback. So like let's say it took this trade and was out of this trade, it comes down, it would have taken this short. Whereas I don't take that short. So that's what I'm trying, working the different ways to filter out things like that. Still consolidating here, right under 4,000. We have about half an hour left here on the stream. I'm in green today. At least unless I take another trade. So very few people are superstitious about Friday the 13th. That's not a surprise to me, really. 94% no. Anyone know how many carbs wicks have? So Dakota disappeared today. I don't know if that earlier talk bothered him or just something came up. Well, I don't like to talk about various subjects though because it can definitely run people off. Hopefully that's not what happened. Dip down, back up. Oh, mm, that was not ended up not being a trigger candle and it's struggling here. Now it's trying to push down. Break of the 200. Break of the 100. I'm just hesitating. So we got within 5 points of that 4007 target of JC's. which I think is darn good because remember he called it like down here somewhere. Trying to bend that band. It's a band bender. Flickering back up. Ooh, bounce. Bouncy house. So that candle's through all three moving averages. There's a trigger, but I didn't trust it. Let's see what happens here. So far, my instinct was right there not to trust it. Just watching this here. Just trying to stay above. Let's take the long. Boom. Pulling back. Wow. There we go. I'll take that. Almost a 4-point trade. 3 3/4. That's $200 trades on the day. This is my best day in a long time. We are now up $135 on the day. And again, I probably got out early, but it's getting right up toward 4,000, so might, let's see if it bursts through 4,000. There's 4,000. Yeah, I got out early again. Again, this was the same type of move there, that up, down, up. I didn't wait, it got above there, and same same basic trade as here. Gives me some breathing room back on the ETF account. Got up to 4,002. So that's perfect. This was a perfect move here. I almost got tricked into going short, but was watching this down here and seeing how it was rubbing against that band and coming up. I waited for the little pullback and then up. Wonder why so much slippage there. Not. Here it comes. Back to that 2.5, 4,002.5. Trying to get above there. Still a nice trade, Matt. Great job. 4,003. And back down to 4,000. Pecking away toward that 4,007. So I'm back to having about $500 in drawdown left. Which means tomorrow I'll be able to go back to ES maybe. I only have 6 days to pass this account. Have a great day, JC. Great call today. Wonderful job. So another little dip. Let's see if it's gonna, how far it's gonna come down. See if it's a dip or if it's gonna actually break those higher averages. So big move down. 5 point candle down, dipping down, dipping dots. So we hit 4003 and now down 15 points from there down to 3988. See it breaks through. Oh, didn't even have time to say it. Big move down. Something going on, or just a? Not seeing anything. Totally forgot about natural gas inventories, but let's see what natural gas did there. Yeah, natural gas popping up a little bit after its inventories. And we're popping back up. Be the breakdown. Yep, dropped over 20 points now in 7 candles. 16 candles. No, 7. And falling fast. Nice little M pattern. Droop, droop, droop. That's been a fun and adventurous morning. 15 minutes to go here. There we go. Boy, JC leaves and everyone gets quiet. I got down to 79. Pop there, 85. Pulling back just a tad. $39.86. Ten more minutes. Market's taking a breath. Taking a short here. Ah, turning against me. It wasn't profit. Now it's not. Trying to push. Nope, green. Okay, still trying to push. Nope. It's gonna stop me out. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah. So I should have took the quick profit. It was up $50 and instead I got stopped out. It's okay. I'm back down to $79 in profit on the day. No biggie. That was a modified type of Bob Anderson trade that I was trying there. crawling up. It was not following his indicators. Just up, 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 down. Took the trade when it broke back down, but didn't sustain down. Should have took the quick, like I said, quick 2 points. And now we're trying for a move to the upside. It's an upside move. Occasionally, Burrow. Long here. And that's going to stop me out too. Maybe not. Maybe so. Yep. There we go. And down to $22 green on the day. Let's see if we can get back to red. Ah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Took me out, then went green. That was right. Just didn't want to be right that was, see, nice 3 points up there after it took me out to the downside. Trying another long. Oh, it's very whippy. Stop failed. Back to red on the day. The 3 losses in 5 minutes. Pretty good. That might be a record for me. Yeah, Burrow, I'm not sure at this point it's worth it. Most likely within two weeks or so, I'm done with trading. Other than maybe eventually once I'm out of debt, finding something to invest in long term, dividend stocks or whatever. Like I said, you got to realize you're not good at something eventually, and retire and move on to something else. Both times I was right, by the way. but it stopped me out first. I hear the train coming. So finishing out with a ninth straight red day. Consistency, that's the goal in trading. It just makes me mad here that, obviously, I needed the bigger stops. I should have taken bigger, put a bigger stop on. Because I was right in both times, and both times I got stopped out before I had a chance to go. So that's been one of my major problems all along, is being too risk adverse. I've always said at least half my trades stop out, half my losses stop out, and then go my direction. Uh, okay. I'm guessing at a whoa, big move down. I'm guessing at a pronunciation of Rutson Butson. If that's wrong, let me know. I apologize. But just because, I mean, ATR times 1.5, so on that particular trade, about ATR was about 5. Taking a 7.5 point stop would hurt badly, especially since the move to the upside, I'll be running a negative risk to reward. Big move back down here right before, oh, right at the top of the hour. Wow, big move down. So I've made a lower high there, and now just pushing down. So I thank everyone for joining me today. Consistent trading, 9 straight losing red days. We'll go for our 10th tomorrow. I'll be here at 7:30 Eastern tomorrow. Not any big news tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes to end the week. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And we shall see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.